Welcome to 1192 South Gaylord, Denver, Colorado. This home is located in the desirable Washington Park neighborhood. I'm your host, Daryl Vaughn, Colorado Realtor. Thanks for being here. I can't wait to show you around. For your convenience, I've broken this video up into chapters, so if you slide the cursor along the time bar there, each chapter will be a room of this home so you can follow along. Let's take a look. So here we are in the main entryway, and right away you'll notice a few things. This is an older home. It was built in 1905, and unlike many homes that were built this year, this one is updated, however, maintains a lot of that character you'd expect from a historic home such as this one. The architectural style of this home is called the Denver Square, a very popular style of home for this era. This home has 2,369 square feet, a finished basement, 4 bedrooms, and 4 baths. All right, so here we are in arguably the most important room in the entire house, the kitchen. And this kitchen is beautifully updated with custom cabinets throughout, quartz countertops, modern appliances and fixtures. Look over here, we have a very convenient pot filler, a modern range. This kitchen is fantastic. And attached to the kitchen here, we have a fantastic spacious dining area where you can put a nice dining table right here. You also have access to the outdoor patio right here. Okay, and here we are in the great room or the entertaining room. So you can hang out here with your friends, plenty of room for a sofa, TV over here, and it's got a nice gas fireplace as well, and the original functioning radiators, which we'll see throughout the house. It's a nice thing to remind you that this house was built in 1905 and it's in great shape. All right, let's take a look upstairs. And here we are in the master bedroom. It's got ample storage, nice closet here, hooks in there for coats. Also got a beautiful leaded window, original. And we've got a lovely modern ensuite bathroom here with fantastic granite countertops, modern appliances, and this was updated in 2016. So everything you see here is custom. And check out this fantastic rainfall shower here, super modern, yet you're still in a home that was built in 1905. All right, here we are in the first guest bathroom, which has ample space. I love this color here because it's reminiscent of the 1950s, so you've got a vintage touch here with the color choice in the paint. But the shower is so modern with this black and white marble sort of look. Also, this sink here is absolutely fantastic. Granite countertops. And here we are in the first guest bedroom. It's a nice bedroom with a great view out onto Gaylord Street here, as well as decent closet space. If you're just staying a couple days or two. It's nice wood flooring. We've got a couple outlets on the floor, which are a nice feature since we have so much technology these days. So it'd be nice to plug in a computer or TV or whatever you've got. But we have heating baseboards down here too, so you can stay nice and warm in the winter time. All right, so here we are in the second guest bedroom, which has ample space, ample light in here, has access to the outdoor patio, which I don't have a key to at the moment, but we will check that out later in this video. I notice it has ample outlets out here. We are a tech-heavy society these days, so there's plenty of places to plug in your PlayStation, TV, laptop, or whatnot. This room also has ample storage space here. It's got a nice closet, so plenty of room for all your clothing, and extra storage space if you need that as well. All right, so I'm down here in the basement, which is fully finished. So not only would this home be a great primary residence, but also a great income property here. You can, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 2 additional bedrooms down here, and you could Airbnb this space, or you can just, have family or friends live in there, or host guests, whatever. This is could be a potentially great income property, so keep that in mind. Let's take a look. Okay, we're entering this first basement bedroom down here. Now, with all basements, it doesn't get a whole lot of light, but it's got a lot of space down here. Looks like newer wood flooring or laminate flooring. There's a television mounted on the wall, as you can see. All right, let's go a little further down the hallway. All right, so you got this nice space down here that used to be a gym, I believe, but it's got a special type of flooring down here that's a little soft. Looks like it's for weightlifting or something like that, but this would be a great space for all your exercise equipment, you have weightlifting equipment, also a great spot to do yoga. TV mounted in the corner right here, so you can be entertained while you're doing your cardio and that sort of thing. So this is a great space down here to take advantage of. Alrighty, we have a second guest bedroom down here in the basement, which is a garden level basement, and it gets a surprisingly good amount of light down here. There's also tons of storage, so if you don't use this as a bedroom, you have 2 closets down here that have a great amount of space. So if you're one of those people that just have a lot of toys and a lot of things, this is an excellent spot you can use this whole room for storage if you'd like. But again, this room is very rentable, and plenty of outlets I'm noticing as well. So again, plenty of spots to plug in TVs, video game consoles, laptops, all the things you need charged and stuff like that. So this is a great space down here. All right, and probably one of the coolest features of this home is this backyard and this incredible deck. You've got a hot tub, you've got a fire pit, you've got a built-in grilling station back here with plenty of storage, nice modern grill here. You've even got a mini fridge for all your beers and your rosé. So this is a great spot for entertaining. Fantastic. We've also got this spiral staircase that leads to second floor deck. Let's check out what's up there. And check out this second level deck here. Now this deck is obviously newer than the home. I believe this was built in 2016. It's got a very modern design to it, but check it out. You could take a look at your whole neighborhood here. Man, it is just fantastic. You can set up a table out here, watch the sunset. This is just a great space for entertaining. And that'll conclude our tour of 1192 South Gaylord. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if it's not too much to ask, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're alerted every time I come out with a new video. We have a lot of videos just like this one and more, all about Denver, all about the real estate market. So tune in. I'm Daryl Vaughn, Colorado Realtor, and I hope to see you again.